Hey you, and welcome to this video where we help you out how to copy a trade on MatchTrader. And for this, first of all, log into your account and then you will see this screen. Then from here we go to copy trading, and then right now you can find here a lot of people where you can copy the trade from. We have here an ROI where you can search on, so the highest ROI is here on the top. Or you can search for a name of a trader and then you can copy his trades. So let's say for now we will do an example. So let's say the CT Voyager, and we click here on details. Then you will find here all the details from this trader. And right now if you click here on copy, we can select the subscription option. So how much money we put in it. Now let's say 1,000. We can click on stop loss and then add a stop loss in it. Or we can click on take profit and then add a take profit on this. Now, after everything, let's say we do this and then, let's say 10. Then from now, you need to click on copy and then you just copied the trade. So this is seriously how easy it is. Don't forget to choose the correct account. And then after that, click on copy. First of all, please do your research. Don't copy blind a lot of people. Just do your research, and this is how you can copy a trade. So hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.